All right, my boys. So if you look over here, guys, we are in a account build. $300 balance. We're up $5. I ain't gonna lie to you, my boys. Ain't gonna lie to you, my boys. We gonna be trying to do like a little mini account flip series. We are under the point of control, which means that we are bearish currently, even though we are bullish overall here. We are on a point of control underneath selling. So I do want to take about a 40 pip trade here. Accumulation distribution shows me we are bearish as well, man. So I'll be real with you, man. I would like to take about a 40 pip trade over here, and currently up 1%. So we're risking 8% in order to make 10%, my boys. So I mean, I'm going with a money management style system, guys. So at the end of the day, it's a $25 risk for a $30 reward. So I'll keep going as it goes, but I'm doing a money management system, stack management system. So we'll get into that as well. But I just want to show you guys that I am taking this trade on a $300 balance. I'm going with a 25 pip stop loss, going for an average 40 pip TP on this one. As we grow higher, I will have more aggressive TPs, about 30 pips. And well, this is looking very good, actually. We're up, what, 13, 14 pips literally on this candle. So this is pretty great, man. And I ain't gonna lie to you guys, man. I was really motivated. I saw myself in some videos from before. We're breaking underneath all these lows, which is really, really great, man. But you know what, man? I am a day trader. I've been trading for, damn, close to 10 years almost, guys. We're getting there. We're getting there to the 10-year mark, man. And I really found my passion in trading again, bro, because I got closer to God. And, you know, he just reminds me, bro, you know, nothing ever changed with me, man. I just lost a lot of followers. Platforms were taken from me. And I just basically only lost my voice, man. But I never lost my skills, only redefined. It was only better. I look at my old videos and I got like this sniffles thing with my deviated septum. But that's crazy because like all my new videos now, I'm up 20 pips. That's crazy. All my new videos, man, I don't have that anymore. But, you know, I found God in my life, man. And, you know, besides the fact that he forgave me for all my sins, all the dirt that I did, man, bro, I learned so many things, bro. And I just want to do this series, bro, just to honor God and just to motivate you guys that, yo, you are not a trader until you trade with God at your side. Then you will be the best trader and the best version of yourself. And when you take that to the markets, man, all I'm saying is, bro, you're not going to lose, man. You're not going to lose. Sometimes you will take a loss, but keep in mind, man, God lets you lose sometimes because he likes to see where your heart is at. Are you still going to love him? Are you still going to trust him after? That's how he works, man. But keep in mind, bro, he does take. Just like in Job, man. You guys know Job. The story of Job, 20 pips in profit. Love that. 21. Come on, man. Though he slayed me, I still trust him. You feel me? So look at it like this, bro. When God takes away today, what he took away today, he's going to double it tomorrow. Remember, guys, faith always number one. You feel me? So I definitely want to run up a series over here to motivate all my people in the world, man, that you don't need a big balance to make some money, man. Trading is within you. And you're not a real trader until you trade with God by your side. And I promise you, that is when you become a real trader, because there is no greed. There is no ego, man. There is just a plan and you follow it all the way through. You feel me? So God bless you guys, man. Let's freaking get it. This is about 4 minutes in, and we'll come back in a little bit to see where we're at. All right, my boys. So look, I want to show you guys something over here. I ended up putting $300 in this account. We're at 317 balance, and as you can see, I made $17 in profit. Literally $17 in profit, 28 pips. Withdrew the 317 and put it right back in. All right, so I can withdraw. I can do deposits whenever that I want, and just wanted to show you guys that. So where we at? We kind of just closed our trade. Why? Because can't complain about almost 30 pips without no drawdown. Literally, you guys saw my entry. It was beautiful, and ended up getting out because, you know what? Hey, man, I'm not gonna complain to you guys. If we're really real and we go back to account history, 28 pips, was like 30 pips when I went to close it, but I was like, nah, we can go for more. And then I got a rejection, so I was like, nah, 28 pips it is. So when you get about 38 pips, when you get about 28 pips, 30 pips, dude, you just close it, bro. There's no point. I have a rule where if I catch 25 pips without a 5 pip drawdown, I'm out. That's like one of my biggest rules. I've done it live, so I think that's the greatest thing. But I will be taking some live stream trades as well on this account, but this is the account that I really want to focus on, man. Just want to show you guys, bro, that $300 balance, man, it's more than enough if you really know what you're doing, guys. I'll be real with you guys. I've done some wonders with less. All right. The only reason I just, to be honest, didn't really care about just doing these type of things again was because, bro, at the end of the day, man, it's hard to compete with people that have Bugattis from prop firms and brokers that they own, that they make millions of dollars with. And, you know, knowing that I used to be next to them at one point before my accounts were taken away. And then I fell into something very, very bad with addiction and stuff like that. And let's be real, man. It's been hard to deliver content, bro. It's just kind of been more on that. Like, now that I have a daughter, man, I just want to be paid and peace. And I don't care about being popular, man. I really don't, bro. But you know what, man? It's in me, man. I've always motivated people. I do come from humble beginnings, guys. So just kind of wanted to show you guys, man, the real raw truth of trading. And $300 is more than enough, guys. I do believe if I started off with 1,000, I would probably get like, oh no, you had 1,000 to start with, and this and that. So honestly, man, $300 is fair, dude. I like the number 3. 3 is the Holy Trinity. Holy, 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 the Father, Son, the Holy Spirit. 3 stands for restoration. Jesus was 30 years old when he started preaching, and again, you know, I'll be real with you guys. Restoration and resurrection is 3. So I was like, yeah, $300, man. You know, God's gonna meet me here in this account, man. I already did my prayer, and it's just kind of, before I end it, just show you guys what it is, man. When you got God in your life, man, anything is possible, man. You know, God has a certain name, and that name is, he's got many names actually, but the name I'm talking about is called El Shaddai, right? And that is the name of God where everything that seems impossible is possible, and He loves to do that exactly. Remember, God likes to make a statement, bro. That's why He says, I'm a God, right? And people don't think that God flexes, but it's just how you take things. Like God says, like, and this to me is honestly a flex. He says, I'm a God. Like, don't minimize my power. Don't take my name in vain. But a lot of you guys think that means like profanity, like, oh, I swear to God, I want to do this. No, it's more of like, don't take my name in vain. Like, I'm not a little God. When you want something, you better ask for something big, because when I come to give and I come to deliver, I don't come to give small. I'm not a regular. I'm a God. I'm not a regular person you're used to. I am a God. Don't ask for nothing if you don't want nothing, and you better ask for something big. So you know what? I want my God to make this $300. He's gonna make this $300 to be an insane amount build. I don't know when it'll be ready. I'll know deep down inside when I can withdraw, but I do plan to withdraw some money here and there once I start building, of course. But again, humble beginnings, guys, with a $300 balance. And appreciate the support, guys. Let's get it done. Full transparency. And I just truly believe that this is what I'm meant to do for the next few weeks with my content. I'll be real. I got 3 payouts with Funded Hero that helped me out get into my new house that I'm moving into, which I'm very excited about. And new content will be there as well with this account. But this account is with me, and let's freaking kill it, bro. In the name of Jesus, amen. All right, my boys. So we just got into a little 0.08. Ain't gonna lie, we are risking again another $25, $26 to be exact. Now, balance still 317. So I got more confluences on this side. I don't mind losing on this trade, honestly, just due to the fact that I do got some trading space after that win. So I got $18 to play with. Worst case scenario, I lose $26. So about $10. Let's just do some math. $10 if we think about it, right? But if we do win, we double down, and we will, this is about 60 pips away. I'll be real with you. I would be happy with more of a, we can do more of a, let's do this area. This area would be another $17. So about 36 pips. So even though I'm risking 47 to make 36 pips, doesn't really matter. Keep in mind, I got breathing space over here, and I got $17 that I made in profit earlier. So I'm not really worried. I'm really not worried about it. So we'll come back. But if you think about it, I do like this little area where we have this nasty rejection. So I'll just actually just leave it like, let's do 800 psychological. 800 psychological, worst case scenario, I'll change it, but I do like 800 psychological under 500. So I'm definitely going for that. Screw that. 50 pips, boys. Let's get it done, dude. At the end of the day, anything can happen. It's only 10:45 p.m. All right, boys. So we got a little scaling coming in. Let's do the scaling. put the stop loss same place. Let's put that TP over here, same place. So we got a potential loss of about 40 bucks. So 40 bucks, not bad. Can't beat it, honestly. So let's get it. All right, my boys, let me give you like a little quick breakdown what I'm looking at. All right, so I got a point of control over here in the 30-minute from this range from here to the bottom. And we're bearish currently right now. And crazy thing is, on 30-minute, we're underneath the 300 SMA. And kind of like playing around over here. But if you look here on the 1 hour, we're underneath the 200 and the 300. So if we can close bearish, I would really like that. And then I just got to wait for my accumulation distribution indicator to start showing me more aggressive sells. Bro, we could drop. But then again, who knows? We could break above. And that's only like 20 pips away. So I kind of want to wait for the next hour. You know what I mean? All right. So like what I'm looking at right now is I'm still very confident in myself. Still at the point of control. I'm rejecting this 300 SMA on the 1 hour. And I'll be real, man. If I wasn't already risking like, what, 40 bucks almost, I would get into another sell, honestly. I would, but my leverage is not letting me. Look, I'll be real with you. Just be like a little sell here. Oh, wow. Look at that. Turns out I could. Boom. Well, look at that. She's real all in. This setup is the only setup I'm going to take. So we're going to be risking, how much are we risking here, boys? We're risking about $45. Yo, we got this, my boys. We got this. So to potentially make, let me see here. All right, no, actually we're risking about, I can't even do math. $45, about $45. I can't even count, especially with music in the background. It's insane. To make 20, 40, 60, $70. It's about $70 if you think about it. So let's get it, boys. But I'm very confident, my boys. I'm very confident. This is a great trade to be in. Stop losses at like, it's like 800. Like 830. TP is like what? 800? Yeah. That's great, dude. That is super good. I like this. Well, we'll be back. All right, my boys. So this is not good at all. So if you look here in the 30-minute, we are literally right here at the point of control. If we look at the 1 hour, we're literally above the 300 SMA. So, I mean, realistically speaking, this don't look too good for my sells. Ain't gonna lie to you. So unless we can get a nasty drop, I most likely will lose this trade, my boys. We'll likely most lose. So risking, about 50 bucks on this one, ain't gonna lie. Yeah, we ought to be down. We ought to be down. But it is what it is, my boys. Let's see. All right, I kind of have a little bit of hope now. Ain't gonna lie. That's a pretty solid over here. Not looking too good on the 1 hour though. I ain't gonna give it a little lie, but this is looking pretty good now, actually, now I think about it. What's going on? What's gonna happen? We gonna find out. But look at this 5-minute candle, bro. Just nasty freaking rejection, dude. That's pretty ugly. Look at that. That's like a whole 5-minute 16 pip rejection, 20 pip drop within 6 minutes. Well, this is trading, boys. Trading actually kind of feels fun right now. Well. We'll be back. Good morning. Let's close some of these trades, my boys. Wow, what a banger, dude. That's awesome, man. We did $100. That is freaking dope. So there you have it, my boys. Let's go.